On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Jeez. Yeah.
Let's get this on the golf cart, huh? I know you're not supposed to grind with these, but I'm just taking a little burr off, that's all. Now this should fit the front. Didn't really want to, but it looks like I'm gonna have to. I don't want to lose clearance underneath, you know. Probably should spray that with some paint, huh? Yeah, I should have. Take the stickers off too, Cheezo, before you put it on. Looks all right. Why does it look like it's not center? Oh, that plastic piece is down a bit. That's the way it was bolted on. Now for the back one, I'm gonna have to slice that and put it on there and weld it in. That'll work. Of course, the hole's gonna be bigger once I slide it up a little more. So I'm gonna have a little gap there, but what are you gonna do? Lower. That looks good. Yeah, I do have a plasma cutter, but sometimes it's a lot neater to do it. You know what I mean? Oh, look at that. Not bad. Prep this all up and I'll weld her in there. Yes, absolutely. Wear safety glasses. Prep is everything. So I'm going to use the Yeswelder MIG-205DS Pro. About there. Tack it a couple spots. Wet a rag down. Pretty good. Put over fiberglass. Of course, the camera died and ran out of battery juice, but that's the gist of it. I just got to clean it up and spray it. Get that platform ready. Even drilled and put a bolt through this crossbar over there for extra strength. I mean, you're not going to be able to put a lot of weight on it, but it'd be enough. So my hitch is angled down a little bit. Should have double checked that, but not a real big deal for if you're moving stuff around. But I want that level. I'm going to go a little bit of an angle, and we're going to see whether this Harbor Freight chop saw will cut through this. Here we go. Ooh, yeah. That's definitely the max. And it's a little more than what I need, but that's okay. And this will go like that, and that should work. Got her all prepped up. Mark where it's got to go. Let's weld her up. And that's what it looks like underneath. And that's it, boys. I mean, you can't put a whole lot of weight on it, but I want it pretty much just to be able to move stuff around because I never have any passengers. Factory. I didn't like the way that was tipping down. The piece of angle iron was holding it up, so I cut it out. Now I can space that to wherever it's got to be to go level. That's better. And that could be tipped up a little bit. That don't bother me. You see how much farther I had to go down with that. Now I could put stuff in the back. Well, don't want to put a bunch of weight on it though. I'd have to reinforce the hell out of it. Definitely more for towing stuff around. Definitely can't put a lot of tongue weight. And I can't really go to anything because that flips back. And the front, same thing. No tongue weight. Or you'd have a problem with this even less. But it's good for moving stuff around, that's for sure. Hitches be tripping. The wheelback's got a little bug in his mouth. Doing his job. Yeah, don't kill these things if you find them.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.